Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying the Olaplex system on my natural hair. I've been hearing nothing but great things about these products. These are used in a salon setting, but now can be used for an at-home treatment. They have about 7 different treatments, which are all individually numbered depending on your hair's needs. But today I'm specifically trying the number 0 and the number 3, and we'll get into why in a second. I just took my hair out of braids, which I hadn't for about a month, and I've been protective styling a lot more because I've been dealing with a little color damage, severe dryness, and a bit of heat damage in certain areas. So let's see what all the hype is about. Before anything, I have got to wet my hair. My hair has been in those braids, just dry and neglected, and I just had to take time to just let some water touch my scalp. It just felt so good. My scalp was thanking me. It took a few minutes, literally. Well, y'all know I have low porosity hair, but that's besides the point. My hair was just dry and it was thirsty, and it was just thanking me for allowing the moisture and the precipitation to just touch my tresses. So I wanted to just loosen up any buildup and just make the detangling process a little easier for me, because you know when you take braids out, your hair sheds a lot. That's really one of the main reasons why I wanted to try this as well. But first things first, for the Olaplex treatment, it says to start off with fresh, clean hair. Of course, we know that, so I'm just gonna use a shampoo of my choice. I always use my AUSSIE. Normally I just focus on my roots, but in this video I'm actually gonna do my whole entire head, being that I did have my hair in a protective style and my hair is pretty dirty. So I'm just taking my time, massaging my scalp, waking up the follicles, getting rid of that buildup, and just doing what I do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it out, which takes forever in a day to get all the bubbles out, because this shampoo definitely lathers a lot. So a little goes a long way when you're using the AUSSIE shampoo. But it's okay because my hair was nice and clean, not too squeaky and not stripping, but it felt good and it felt cleansed. So I'm starting off with the number 0, which is an intensive bond building treatment. Directions say to use it on dry hair, but of course I'm in the shower, so I'm just doing it like this. I suggest sectioning your hair off to distribute the product evenly. So once I spray it, I'm just gonna comb my hair and make sure it's worked through and just twist it and then work on each section. But the number 0 helps with dry, damaged, and dull hair. It also helps to rebuild hair bonds, improves the hair strength from being weak and breaking, repairs split ends, and reduces frizziness, giving the hair extra shine and smoothness. And what amazed me the most is that this treatment protects the hair from within, giving immediate results. This treatment can be used on all hair types and can benefit anyone with hair damage, especially great for anyone who has dramatic color change such as bleach. With consistent use, can return your hair to its virgin state. So after letting it sit on my hair for about 10 minutes with a plastic cap, I'm going to follow up with the number 3. These two pair well together. This is more of a thicker consistency and not as watery as the number 0. It says to apply to damp hair the same exact way as this first step. Olaplex number 3 works as a primer, helping to strengthen damaged hair, structural repair from within, and it's recommended to use once a week or up to 2 to 3 times a week for severely damaged hair. This treatment also can be left on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but it can be used for longer periods of time, being that it's not a conditioner or a protein. It's not going to cause any damage to your hair. I definitely left it in my hair for about 30 minutes while I did what I had to do, and now I'm just going to follow up and rinse it out with cool water to help to seal my cuticles, and I just feel like cool water always makes my curls pop. So for the last step, it says to follow up with a shampoo and a conditioner of course using Olaplex, but I didn't purchase that. So again, I'm just going in with one wash and a quick conditioner and rinsing it out so that we can see the final results of my hair. And this is what my hair looks like after using this. This is my first time trying this line, and my curls, my hair looks amazing. Like I said, I was suffering with a lot of dryness and color damage. Sad face, but you know, you live and you learn. And this definitely is recommended for people who have struggled with, you know, damaged hair, color, something that is very common in today's world. We love change, we love to look different, and color definitely looks great, but it doesn't make our hair feel great. So after that, I'm just gonna follow up with my mask by ADWOA Beauty, and I'm just gonna put that on just to make sure that my hair feels and gets the best moisture that it needs, even though it just felt and looked amazing. But this is going to top it off for me. This is a very thick consistency, and I absolutely love how thick it is. My hair just loves it. So I'm just focusing on everything because, like I said, my hair has been through a lot. You know, it's been through the ringer, and you know, sometimes you have to really put that time, stop what you're doing and really focus on your hair, just like you would do anything else that you care about. And you know, it starts from taking that time out and actually doing it. So this is me rinsing it out, and my hair looks amazing. I was really concerned more so about the curl definition because, like I said, I experienced a little bit of heat damage, which I'm surprised because I barely blow dry my hair, but you know, it happens to the best of us. And my hair definitely looked amazing after. You can't even really tell those spots that I showed you earlier with, you know, like the looser curls. Just looks amazing. So that's pretty much it. My review on this is I'm pretty impressed. I can't wait to continuously use these two together. Like I said, they work really well together, but you can buy them separately and, you know, just gauge it out and see what works for you. But I highly recommend this if you are suffering with any type of color treated damaged hair, over processed hair, relaxed hair. It works for all hair types. Quick FYI, these products are a little bit on the pricey side, so make sure that when you do invest your time and your money that you are serious, because baby, it's a lot of money for the amount that you get. But I will say it's definitely worth it, and I love the way my hair looks. It looks beautiful, and a lot of you guys think that just because I have long hair, my hair doesn't struggle, I don't have any hair issues. But behind the scenes, your girl be going through some things, but it's all about how you maintain and how consistent you are with your hair regimen. You live, you learn, and you do better. So definitely check the link in my description and get you some today. That's it for now. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.